Many students lose marks in exams because they don't understand how to record sales properly. Today, I will show you step by step how to record both cash and credit sales in accounting in the simplest way possible. What are sales in accounting? Sales refer to revenue earned from selling goods or services. In accounting, sales increase income. Sales are part of revenue in the income statement. Let's look at the double entry principle. Before recording sales, remember that every transaction affects two accounts. One account is debited and the other account is credited. This is called the double entry system. Let's look at how to record cash sales. A business sells goods for $1,000 cash. What happens? The business have received cash, so revenue increases. Let's look at the journal entry. We debit cash by 1,000 and we credit sales by 1,000. So cash increases because cash is an asset. So we debit cash to increase assets. Sales increases because sales is income. So we credit sales to increase income. I have in my channel debit and credit explained simply. We explain more about how debit and credit work. Check out my channel to watch the debit and credit explained simply video to have a better understanding. So let's go to the next item, how to record credit sales. Let's look at example. A business sells goods worth $2,000 on credit and the customer has not yet paid. So the journal entry will be, we debit account receivable by 2,000 and we credit sales by 2,000. Account receivable increases because account receivable is an asset, so we debit it. Sales increases, sales is an income, so we credit it. Let's look at a situation where sales includes VAT. So VAT is a value added tax imposed on indirect goods and services by the government of a country. These are imposed and these are charged on sales on goods and services, which is then remitted to the government. So if VAT is charged, you do not record all as sales. Let's look at example. Sale is $1,000 and the VAT is 15% on the sales, which is $150. So the total amount that the customer will pay will be $1,150. So the journal entry will be, we debit cash or receivables $1,150, we credit sales 1,000 and we credit VAT payable $150. We debit cash if it's a cash sales, or if it's a credit sales, we debit receivables with $1,150. That is the total amount that will be paid by the customer. We credit sales 1,000. That is the actual amount of the goods and services, and the VAT payable of 150 is what we will remit to the government. Let's look at some common mistakes students make. Sometimes students credit cash instead of debiting it. They even forget about the VAT component. Sometimes students dey confuse sales with profit. Sales is different from profit. Another mistake that students make is not using receivables for credit sales. In conclusion, sales increase revenue. For cash sales, you debit cash and credit sales. So for credit sales, remember you debit receivables and credit sales. Now you understand how to record sales properly. In my next video, I will explain how to record purchases in accounting. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Subscribe to my channel Accounting Made Simple by Etelish. Also comment below if you are a student, business owner or entrepreneur. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.